New numbers out about an hour ago from the Oregon Health Authority showing 670 people in the hospital across the state from COVID. That is a record number. It's 5 more than yesterday.
At this point now, state and county leaders are concerned about the strain this heat wave could put on our already crowded hospitals.
Our Liz Birch spoke with public health officials. She joins us live now. So Liz, a variety of factors are contributing to hospitals filling up.
Dan, that's a really good point, and we're in a really serious situation right now. So let's start with COVID. The Oregon Health Authority just told me that those numbers you were just talking about, that's a 500% increase from a month ago of COVID patients in the hospital. Many of our hospitals are at capacity right now, so you can see why it's so vitally important to keep people from having to go to the hospital with heat-related illnesses. Now, there's another factor contributing to that. Our public health officials in Multnomah County tell me the spike in homicides and gun violence here, we've been talking a lot about that, is playing a factor in those hospitals filling up. The June heat wave was one of our deadliest natural disasters, killing more than 100 people just in Oregon. Now, the New York Times is reporting there may have actually been many more, hundreds more deaths than that official count in the Pacific Northwest. I asked Multnomah County Health Officer Dr. Jennifer Vines about that today.
Do you think that's possible? Do you think that's accurate?
I actually do think that's accurate. It is a known phenomenon that there are excess deaths during heat waves. There can be more gun violence, more drownings, and deaths that happen under a physician's care don't get certified by the medical examiner. So it's not always clear if heat was a contributing cause to someone who maybe was more medically fragile.
Really concerning situation. The county does say they have made changes since that last heat wave. Dr. Vines tell me they've added cooling centers, both indoor and outdoor. Those outdoor cooling centers will have misters. And bringing you back out here live, I can tell you it's uncomfortably hot right now in downtown Portland, and public health officials are stressing the importance of reaching out to one another, making sure you're safe. So if you know someone who is vulnerable, now's a great time. Give them a call. Make sure they have somewhere cool to go. Live in downtown Portland, Liz Birch, KOIN 6 News.